Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this cut crease. I'm gonna cut my crease, but it's not like a half cut crease. Yeah, I'm not sure what to call this look. It's like super green, turquoise kind of look. Yeah, if you guys would like to learn how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on. So for today's palette, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Palette with Morphe. So for the first brush, I'm going to be taking a Morphe 513. And the first shade I'm going to take is going to be Silk Cream, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to take that on... Oh, before that, first I'm going to apply my primer, which I haven't already. I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and this is in the shade Eden. So I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And then I'm taking this Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to pat that on to my eye. Make sure to get the inner corner. I like to bring it down low. And then I'm just going to go over with my finger. And I'm just going to let this dry up. Just because I'm not going to set it with any powder. So I'm taking that brush and I'm taking that shade. And I'm just going to start working it into my crease. And that's going to be our transition shade. Well, I'm going to drag it pretty low over here. Doesn't matter if you take it too down because we're going to clean it up. And if you notice, I didn't put it on my outer corner, and I did that on purpose. Now I'm going to go in with the second brush, which is the Morphe and 518. And it's this one right here. And I'm taking the shade Crimsicle, which is this really bright yellow shade right there. And I'm going to take that on the same place. So just work it in there. And I want to bring that shade pretty high up into the brow bone. Okay. And then the next brush I'm going to be taking is this Morphe brush. I'm not sure the name of it. And I'm taking the shade Pukey. Yeah, it's the shade Pukey right here. So just like that. And then the last brush I'm taking is the Morphe R39. Just this brush right here. And I'm taking the shade, so this shade right here, Central Park. And we're just taking a little bit of that, not too much. I don't want to make it super brown. I just want to create that definition. And then I'm going to take the previous brush and I'm just going to diffuse that. So, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And I'm taking this flat brush. It's the BH Cosmetics number 6. Okay. And then I'm just taking some Tarte Shape Tape concealer on the back of my hand. So I'm going to place a little bit on the center of my lid, close to my lash line. Then I'm going to look up, and that's going to be the little guide as to how high we're going to go. So I'm going to start in the inner corner and work our way up. Now we would usually stop right there, but today I'm going to take it all the way up. So once we got like that, I'm gonna go ahead and tap. I'm gonna take my finger, just take some of the excess off. And then now, while it's wet like that, I'm taking this wet wall brush right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my shade Jada. Taking this shade right here, this bright turquoise, I'd say it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and pack that all over where I cut the crease with that concealer, right on top of the concealer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take another flat brush, and I'm gonna take that same shade, and this is gonna help me get as close as I can to the edge. Now once we have filled the whole concealer area with the shade, now I'm gonna go ahead and take the same brush that I cut my crease with and add more concealer to it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bottom part right here. Go ahead and tap that. And then right under here, we're gonna go in with some of the other shades that we used on our crease. I'm gonna go in with the first one. I'm just following in the same order that I used the other ones. Okay. Once we have done that, going back with that brush and concealer, and then I'm gonna cut under that part and just leave the little line. Oh, we'll come back to the eyes later. For now, I'm gonna start on the rest of my face. So for primer, I'm gonna be using this small little Smashbox photo finish primer just to fill in my massive pores. And I'm gonna place that right here around my cheek. This is where I have the biggest pores. Just like. Okay. Now for foundation, I'm gonna be using this stick foundation. It's the Maybelline Superstay Multi-Use Foundation Stick. I like the liquid a lot. I always use it. So I'm gonna give this a try. See if it's the same. So I'm just gonna put this on my face. Just like that. And then on my neck as well. And I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, I guess. So I'm just gonna blend this out with my beauty blender. Need to apply more, so I can still see like all my imperfections. So we're gonna do a bit more on my cheeks, and kind of feels drier than the liquid does. And it's like setting my fine lines. I don't know how I feel about this foundation. I don't see a lot of coverage from a little bit of my liquid. I definitely like the liquid a lot better. Take my LA Girl concealer, and this is in the shade Expresso, and I'm just going to put a little bit just to contour. Now for concealer, I'm going to use my Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer. Now I'm going to set my face with my Mercier powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and bronze. So first I'm going to use the shade Sculpt from my Tarteist palette. And I'm just going to use that to set the cream contouring that we did with the concealer. And I'm going to take my Too Faced little tiny chocolate bar, and it has a bronzer on here. And I'm going to take that with the Morphe M530. And then I'm taking the R7, and I'm going to take that same shade. And I'm going to bronze. And it just helps diffuse the product a little bit more. Now, blush, Note Blush. And this is in Desert Rose. Take this BH Cosmetics, and this is the #1 brush. So I put my lashes off camera. The only thing left to do is put my highlighter and my lip. So for my highlighter, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. This is actually new. And this is in the shade Pearl. And I'm going to spray with some spray just so that it's more blinding. And then on top of that, because I'm going to be extra, I'm going to do the Wet n Wild MegaGlo in Golden Crown. Let's see what this does. Ooh. Whoa. And then I'm going to use the Physicians Formula on the inner corner of my eye. And then for my lip, I'm taking the NYX lip pencil in Sugar Glass. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Paints Mattes. And this is in, I think it's Tongue-Tied. I love this look. I'm digging it. And I'm digging this lip. Daisy Marquez got me on that. She was the one that mentioned it. I think in one of her favorites, or I think it was like what's in my makeup bag. And she mentioned that one, and I went to pick it up, and I was like, yeah, this is my color. So yeah, well, I think that is all. This is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button. Let your friends know. If you guys would like to see anything on my next video, leave it down in the comments below. I hope you guys liked this look. I'll see you guys on my next video.